Easy peasy lemon squeezy! ひらがなマスター Level 1あいうえお There are three types of letters to write Japanese. One of them is called hiragana letters, and there are 46 basic hiragana letters. They are like Japanese alphabets. Let's learn the first 5 letters today. They are all vowel sounds. Each letter has one sound only, a little bit different from English alphabets. The first 5 letters are a, I, U, E, O, a, I, U, E, O. The first sound is a. Open your mouth big. A. In English, this letter is pronounced A as well, like ace. But this letter is used to show the sound A in Japanese, not A. So very short sound. A. The second sound is I, like I in the word king. I. It is not pronounced I, like I in the word hind. So it is I, not I. Short sound, I. The third sound is U, similar to U in foot. It is not pronounced A like A in the word nut. So it is U in Japanese. The fourth sound is E, like E in the word egg. It is not pronounced E like E in the word even. This hiragana is pronounced E. The fifth one is O, like odd. It is not pronounced O, like old. The sound of this hiragana is O, a short sound, O. So, the first 5 hiragana letters are A, I, U, E, O, A, I, U, E, O. Let's learn each letter by associating it with some images, so it will be easy peasy to remember them. The first hiragana letter is A. It is like A for antenna, or Nemo will be eaten. The second hiragana is I. It is like I for Hawaii, 2 lines, or I for 2 eels. Eels look like this. They are yummy. The third hiragana is U. U for my back. My back. Fourth hiragana is E. E for extra line on top of H. Or E for exercise. The fifth hiragana is O. O for on the green. Or O for ostrich. A for Nemo will be eaten. I for eels. U for my back. E for exercise. O for ostrich. Now the hiragana letters will fly in and out. Please look closely and find out which letter is flying. Could you see that? 何ですか? What is it? It is I for eels. "何ですか? What is it? It is A for animal will be eaten. 何ですか？ What is it? It is E for exercise. 何ですか？ What is it? It is O for ostrich. 何ですか？ What is it? It is U for my back. Now you're familiar with hiragana A, I, U, E, O, aren't you? Let's enjoy a guessing game. A hiragana letter is hiding behind the circles. These circles will disappear one by one. So please tell which letter is hiding as soon as you can figure out. Let's get started. It is I for eels. Next one. It is U for my back. Next one. It is A for animal will be eaten. Next one. It is O for ostrich. Next one. It is E for exercise. Now you know all these hiragana letters. A for Nemo will be eaten. I for eels. U for my back. E for exercise. O for ostrich. Please tell me which one is I. Please tell me which one is O. Please tell me which one is U. Please tell me which one is E. Please tell me which one is A. How many hiragana U can you find? There are 2. How many hiragana I can you find? There are 3. How many hiragana E can you spot? There is 1. How many hiragana O can you spot? There are 5. How many hiragana A can you spot? There are 6. Now you can read some Japanese words. Let's try. The first word is love in Japanese. 何ですか? What is it? Yes, it is a, I. The next word is blue. 何ですか? What is it? Yes, it is a, ao. The next word is a house. 何ですか? What is it? Yes, it is 家. The next word is no. 何ですか? What is it? Yes, it is いいえ. The next word is above, up, or on. 何ですか? What is it? Yes, it is 上. Which one is 青, which means blue? 青. Which one is いいえ, which means no? Which one is 犬, that means a dog? Let's get to the goal by following a, I, U, E, O in order. Can you find the first a, I, U, E, O starting from the top left corner? A? Let's find the next a, I, U, E, O. Let's find the last a, I, U, E, O. Now let's write hiragana a, I, U, E, O. There is a stroke order for each letter, so let's follow the order. Starting with a, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's write 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Let's write 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's write 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's write お、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3。 Now you can write あいうえお。
すごいすごい
If you have time, please enjoy what was written on your back game with your friend or group of people. Also, there is a nice YouTube video of hiragana song titled Mew Sings A-I-U-E-O. It is very cute and catchy. I hope you could enjoy practicing hiragana today. Oh, can you read this girl's phrase? Yes. い、え、い。Yay! またね